This is Project Bruno, a Superbike-powered Fiat Cinquino, and you know it's Italian because it sounds like this. The car used to be a 1965 Cinquecento that once entered Dip Monkey Garage came out as a totally changed vehicle. It's got a fiberglass wide body kit, custom front splitter, rear diffuser, carbon fiber wing, carbon side pods, and McLaren roof scoop for engine bay cooling. Unlike any other car builds, this one is a little special. It's got a Ducati 996 ST4S mid-mounted Superbike engine, making 6 times more power than the old one. There's a custom integrated Ducati gearbox with chain drive system, a lightweight bike dual exit exhaust, upgraded radiators, oil coolers, and some air vents for heat management. On the inside, it's got a fully integrated roll cage, lightweight racing seats with 5-point harnesses, custom Ducati-inspired digital gauges, and a hand-operating clutch just like the one on the bike.